Hi, I'm Aaron Olstrom, and I'm here today to talk to you about the 3D printed toilet. Now the first question you're probably asking yourself is, why 3D print a toilet? Now there's a couple reasons, but I feel the most important one is accessibility. Say a piece of your toilet breaks. Why go to the local department store and buy an entire new toilet unit? Or there's an alternative where you could just sit at home, you could press print, you could have the new piece of the toilet that broke that day. The second question would probably be, how much would it cost to 3D print a toilet? Now, don't let my crowdfunding price tag scare you about cost, because really all that is the service fees, because I would have to go back and fix and reprint multiple versions of life-size toilets just until I get it working right. Really though, it'd be more cost effective in the future to 3D print a toilet, because as the market expands for these things, the price of the material will go down. So it will only become more practical to 3D print your toilet. The third question probably is, how do I know this guy is legitimate? How do I know he's not just going to take all of my money? Well, I have with me already some very basic pieces to a 3D printed toilet. Now, it's not completely functional. In fact, it's not that functional. But that's, of course, where the price would come in, is just having to go back and test and test and test until I get it working right. Now, the fourth question you probably have is, well, how does this affect me? And honestly, it may not affect you. You may never need to 3D print a toilet. But it's more of a what-if scenario, or, it's a hypothetical that maybe one day it will become practical for you to 3D print your toilet. And I understand that's kind of a frightening concept on to spend your money right now, but think of it as insurance. So maybe there will come a day where you have a 3D printer in your house, and then you have access to printing things like this. So you may be asking yourself, what's my ultimate goal with this project? Now, my ultimate goal is to create a fully sized, fully functional, 3D printed toilet that I can hook up to an American plumbing system here. Now, that doesn't mean it couldn't be changed for another nation or continent's plumbing systems. I don't know how much different they are. That's the good thing about something like 3D printing, is that people can go and fix your work, make very minor adjustments so that it can suit them personally if they have, a different machine. Another big goal of my project would be that I want this to be released to the public absolutely free. So pretty much what happens is, when it gets finished, I can just put it out there on the internet. Anyone can have access to this toilet. Anyone with a 3D printer could print this toilet. And that's really my ultimate goal, is for the entire, not just 3D printing community, but eventually, anybody that has a 3D printer, because in the future it won't be a community anymore. It'll just be something every household has. And I want everybody to have access to something like this 3D printed toilet. Now, obviously, there's more reasons why you might want to fund a 3D printed toilet. You can read about those in the description under the video. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, just email me at aarons3dprintedtoilet@gmail.com. And please, donate, spread the word, whatever you can, because this is something I really want to see come true, and I think it's something that a lot of other people want to see come true. Thank you.